Okay, so these are the white ceiling hooks kit. These are going to get the 6 sizes in each kit. These are vinyl coated, screw in, and they have so many uses. My husband's favorite use that I found to use for these is when I organized his fishing poles in the garage. As you can tell here, I used probably 3 to 4 white screw-in hooks per rod. I put one at the bottom at the base to help hold the rod, and then throughout all the way up, I do 2 or 3 more just to help hold it in place. This helps keep them out of the way. They're organized. They look great on display, and it was super easy to do. All you needed was one kit of these, and it'll take care of it easily. All you got to do is you just hold the reel up to the wall. You screw it in at the base so that you know where you want it, and then keep holding that rod and screw in maybe 3 or 4 more going up, just to help hold the tip of the rod in place, and that's it.